Use here is an AP axial, bless you, and AP axial oblique. This is also known as the butterfly view. Okay, so when somebody is saying, give me a butterfly view, this is what it is. It's an AP axial or a PA axial. Axial meaning that there's a tube angulation, right? Okay, so when they say butterfly, give me a butterfly view, this is what they're referring to. And I've asked those who've been in the field for a long time, I said, why did they call this a butterfly? They can't tell me why.
Arms look like a wing. The wings.
No, not her. Well, yeah, she's doing that, but it's called a butterfly view on the rectal sigmoid area that we're taking an image of.
I see it.
So I've asked I've asked veteran technologists, they can't tell me why. I've looked up in books, I can't find it. But it's called a butterfly.
Maybe butterfly.
Oh yeah, it does look like butterfly.
All right, so we have AP axial, okay, where the patient is just completely flat, or we can rotate them slightly. First of all, it's axial about 30 to 40 degrees. We are looking at the rectal sigmoid area. Why do we have an angulation? You guys remember how the rectum sits up against the sacrum? So this angulation is giving us a true profile or a true AP of that rectal sigmoid segment. Okay, because it's in an angle. So we're trying to match that angle with tube angle. So AP axial, this right here, the central ray is going to be directed inferior, 2 inches inferior to the level of the as is, so 2 inches below the as is, and mid-sagittal plane. And if we are doing an LPO, we're going to rotate them 30 to 40 degrees, and you're still at the level of the as is. 2 inches inferior to the as is, but you're also going to go medial to the right as is. So 2 inches 2 inches inferior, and then 2 inches medial from the right as is in an LPO position. So we're centering on the upside. Bless you. So what if we wanted to do the opposite? What if they were in their belly? Caudal angle, exactly. And instead of an LPO, what are we going to do?
An REO.
REO. So we just do the opposite. So the opposite, which is PA or an REO, does the same thing with a caudal angle instead. Okay, so you're doing the mirror. All right. So this is straight AP. When you roll them up on their side a little bit, it does open up this section here, the sigmoid rectal area, a little bit better. Okay. This is what we call the butterfly view. I don't
It looks
See
like
it?
a
You don't see
butterfly.
it?
What
Look at the
butterfly?
bones.
It's the pelvic
Your
bone.
bones.
These right here are the
The
wings.
gray sides are the wings. The contrast area is the body of the butterfly. That's
This, like this?
no.
No, like you're looking at it
Push
straight.
it straight on. Yeah.
Yeah.
So the
No,
gray
that's
out.
girdle or
Yeah,
the
it's
wings.
right here.
Draw it for him.
Wings, and this is the body.
Oh!
Damn, mind blown. All these years.
Oh!
And it's recorded for.
That is major extra credit right there,
I
dude.
see it.
I see it.
Okay, okay. Butterfly. So all this time I've been focusing on this.
No, that's the body.
Oh, okay, so we're talking about the pelvis.
Damn,
Got it.
dude.
And then here's the body, these are the wings.
Uh-huh.
Okay, got it.
Boom.
Everybody see that?
Oh yeah.
All right. Everybody gets a point.
Woo!
I'm serious.
Fine, honey.
Everybody gets a point.
Really?
All right. Everybody gets a point. All right.
Yeah, it's on the recording.
It's a fifth.
You don't have me on video.
It's
too,
official,
okay?
dude.
It's official. All right. And then here's the opposite. Okay. So reverse angulation, and instead of LPO, we're doing REO. And here, the central ray again is going to be directed 2 inches. Well, it's again when they're prone, it's a little bit more difficult to visualize this because their as is anterior. So you're directing it to the you're directing it as if the ray is exiting the as is. Okay, so that's your mark is exit. So we're exiting the as is. Okay, and then on the rotation on RAO, it's going to be 2 inches to the left of the spine or on the upside. Okay, so it's going to be left side up. Okay? All right, so AP or PA axial and AP and PA axial oblique elongates the rectal sigmoid colon. Okay? The oblique positions open the rectal sigmoid colon region a little bit better than just a straight PA or AP. And then lastly is the poster back that we talked about. So our very last image, we're going to show all those images to the doctor, and they'll say, okay, go do a poster back. And that's when you lay them on their side, drain the contents. You're going to leave the bag in the trash can at a lower level for, I don't know, maybe approximately 2 to 3 minutes to empty out. Then with a towel, you're going to remove the tip. But before you remove the tip,
Deflate it.
deflate, okay, pull out. Okay, same thing is you're going to have them do it on expiration. So same instructions, take a deep breath in, blow it out. Same thing, take a deep breath, blow it out. All right, and then just dump the contents in your receptacle, sit them up, escort them to the bathroom. Okay, have them empty out, come back in, and then you'll do your poster back. PA, because it gets the bowels closer to the image receptor. Okay? All right. Any questions? So next week, what do we have going on? I'm talking to you guys like I'm not going to see you again. I'm going to see you guys in a little bit.